Peterbot has just unveiled his new Fortnite settings, and in today's video, I'm going to break down each setting step by step and show you how these tweaks can skyrocket your in-game performance. I'll also reveal insider tips on how to drastically lower your input delay, giving you the smoothest aiming and building experience possible. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned till the end. Let's dive in. Peterbot's settings are designed to enhance both performance and gameplay experience. He prefers using full-screen window mode, but with a tweak in his resolution. For a long time, he used a stretched resolution of 1720 by 1080, which many of you might be familiar with. Recently, he adjusted this slightly to 1750 by 1080, primarily due to the Chapter 6 update where hit scan became a standard feature. When it comes to frame rates, Peterbot locks his frame rate at 240 FPS, matched with a 240 Hz refresh rate. For render mode, Peterbot uses performance mode, which significantly boosts visibility and improves FPS, something almost every pro player relies on. In terms of brightness and colorblind mode, he sets his brightness to 150% to enhance visibility, especially when trying to spot enemies in the storm. But he doesn't use colorblind mode, preferring the default visuals. For view distance and textures, Peterbot opts for far view distance to see items and builds from a greater distance with minimal FPS loss. It's worth noting that player visibility in Fortnite is capped at around 280 meters, no matter the view distance setting. For in-game settings, Peterbot has pre-editing disabled and has enabled auto-confirm edits on release, which helps him make faster edits. He avoids the new simple edit settings as they are disabled in tournament settings. His HUD and audio settings feature a standard HUD with a 75% scale. For audio, he keeps the sound quality on high, turns off 3D headphones, and enables visualized sound effects to gain an advantage in detecting sounds visually during gameplay. Peterbot's mouse sensitivity setup is highly tuned for precision. His X and Y sensitivities are at 6.4%, targeting and scope sensitivities are set to 40%, and his building/editing sensitivity remains at the default 100%. Here's how you can optimize your gaming experience and reduce input delay with these simple tools. First, head over to my website and download the Input Delay Fix Pack. The link is in the description. Once downloaded, extract the files to your desktop and open the folder. Inside, you'll find two tools: ISLC, an Intelligent Standby List Cleaner, and filter keys. Let's start with ISLC. Open the program by double-clicking the ISLC.exe file. To optimize its settings, start by entering 1024 in the first box. For the second box, input half of your total RAM. Check your total memory displayed in the top left corner of ISLC. For instance, if you have 16 GB of RAM, set this value. Next, locate the wanted time resolution field on the right side and set it to 0.5. Erase any other values using the delete key. Then, enable the custom time resolution option. Scroll down to find ISLC polling rate. For high or medium end systems, set this to 500, while for low to medium end systems, adjust it to 1000. In the main program window, check how much standby memory is being used in the background. On my system, it was around 10 GB. To activate ISLC, click Purge Standby List to clear the memory and then hit Start to enable automatic clearing. The program will now run in the background and clear your standby memory whenever it approaches the limit you've set. Once everything is configured, minimize ISLC and let it work silently. Now, let's move on to filter keys. Right-click the program and select Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Yes to allow changes. This tool is designed to enhance keyboard performance and minimize input delay. After the program opens, go to the Settings tab. Set the Ignore undervalue to 0, adjust repeat delay to 250 ms, and set repeat rate to 25 ms. These adjustments ensure your keyboard reacts faster, providing a smoother gaming experience. Next, check the box for On Under the Flag option, then go to Available Turn On. Ensure the Use Shortcut box is checked, but confirm Activation is unchecked. Turn on Activation Sound, but make sure to mute it. Also, disable Show Status and Key, click to minimize distractions. Once done, set when applied to save to registry so that all your changes are stored permanently. Finally, click OK to apply the settings. Now you can delete the Filter Key Setter application since the changes are saved in your system's registry. To get started with GEARUPBOOSTER, download the tool from the official website using the link. After downloading, install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GEARUPBOOSTER interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button, and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to Automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GEARUPBOOSTER. This will help you optimize Fortnite. Now delete all the junk files to release more CPU processors for smoother gameplay. Close all programs on your desktop, then press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type temp and press Enter to access your temporary Windows files. Press Ctrl plus A to select all files, then hit Delete to remove most of them. Don't worry if some files can't be deleted, that's completely normal. Next, open the Run box again and type %tempsus, then press Enter. This will take you to another folder with temporary files. Repeat the process, Ctrl plus A, then delete. Once again, some files may not be deleted, which is expected. Finally, type prefetch into the Run box and hit Enter. This opens another set of temporary files. Select all with Ctrl plus A and delete them as well. As before, it's perfectly fine if some files remain. This process will help free up space and improve your system's performance. In the next step, we will do processor scheduling settings. This step ensures your system prioritizes active programs like games or streaming apps over background tasks, resulting in smoother gameplay and enhanced overall performance. Search for Advanced System Settings in the Windows search bar and click on it. Once you're in the Advanced tab, locate the Performance section and click on Settings. This will open up the Performance Options menu. Next, switch to the Advanced tab within the Performance Options. Here, you'll see a section titled Processor Scheduling, which determines how your system allocates processor resources. Ensure this is set to Programs for the best performance. This setting ensures your PC prioritizes resources for the active program you're using, such as a game rather than background services. For instance, if you're playing a game, this adjustment allows your system to dedicate maximum resources to the game, ensuring smoother gameplay and better performance. If the setting is left on background services, it may hinder gaming or streaming performance as system resources won't be focused on the active application. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.